Welcome back to the #1 source in blacklights. My name is Fuj, and in this video we go over UV LED blacklight bulbs. So stay tuned. And if you're interested in more content like this, please consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss a thing. Alright, let's go. Okay, so here is a UV LED blacklight bulb made by Sunlite. The wavelength is true UV at 365nm, which basically means you're getting a lot of UV and not much visible light. Okay, so here is the LED UV blacklight bulb made by Feit Electric or Feit Electric. The wavelength is 395nm, which basically means you're getting a lot more visible light and less UV light. Both of these bulbs have an A19 body shape and can screw into any regular bulb socket. What's cool about these UV LED blacklight bulbs is that it doesn't get hot on the outside like your typical incandescent bulbs and your CFL type bulbs. This is a 2-watt bulb with 1 LED and lasts up to 25,000 hours. Rough cost on Amazon is anywhere from $12 to $20. I've seen packs of 6 of these for about $80. This is a 9-watt screw-in type bulb with about 26 LEDs and lasts up to 25,000 hours. Rough cost on Amazon is about $15. Both UV LED bulbs will get the job done. It really doesn't matter which brand you buy on Amazon. They're all basically the same, give or take wattage. Lower wattage 9-watt plus on any 395nm UV bulb will perform just as good as a higher wattage UV bulb. So don't think too hard on which is the best to buy. If you're deciding between certain brands, then let me know down in the comments below and I'll help you out. Screw into your porch light. Both UV LED blacklight bulbs work very well for Halloween decorations and haunted houses. It all depends what type of look you want. Only the UV reactant material will illuminate or glow under the 365nm bulb, which is great if you want it to be a lot darker and spookier. The 395nm will be a lot brighter and gives purple visible light, which would look great on the background of the walls. These bulbs are great for a bedroom. You may need 1 or 2 bulbs depending on how much of the glow effect you're going for. It has about 180 degrees spread. So if your UV reactant material isn't too far, then you should be okay. If you're hanging glow-in-the-dark posters, I would recommend linear fluorescent tube lamps or LED lamps. I have a video on these lamps that I'll link below in the description box. Other great ideas for these UV LED blacklight bulbs is making certain minerals illuminate. Also, the 365nm bulb would work great for fish tanks to illuminate certain fish and corals. Last but not least, a UV bathroom to deep clean all that goodness in your I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button and share with a friend that you think will get value out of this. And remember to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for future blacklight content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!